So we have rattling noise under the seat. We're going to fix this here. Rattling under the seat. This is so much light. So I hope you can see this. So here is the loose module under the seat, and that makes noise. Okay, and let me put my light here. You can see, and then I'm going to put the camera over here where we can see this. And there's up here, there's two spots. I have to feel it with my fingers. There's one, and here's another one. Here and here. That's where those two pieces basically clip in here. So I have to feel it with my fingers because I can't see, right? So there, it goes in first. Oh, there. And then on the other side, it just clips in. There. So now I clipped it in. It's back in here. Yeah, it stays up there. So this can happen when you fart hard. This whole thing falls off, and then the wires lay on here, and it's like rattling and whatnot noise. And it's the seat occupancy sensor system that's in there to find out who is sitting there, a child or a calorie-rich person or a thin, slim person, whatever weight of the person is, and that determines how the airbag deploys in case of an accident. So it is an important module. Also, it helped that the seat was all the way up. Where's up and down here? And forward, or whatever you need the seat to be. Passenger is gonna set that straight. And there we go. Already fixed, no tools needed. Because nothing was broken, it just fell out. Alright, I hope that helped you guys. This is Model 3 here, where that happened. And it's only on the passenger side. It's not on the driver's side, only here on this side.